Hey, good morning, guys. I want to share with you what you're doing today. You're going to be creating your own Sworkit. How do you do that? I've given you the directions right here. It's very simple to create your own. And so you're going to work on that today. So you're going to come over here to custom workouts, and then you're going to add a plus. And then see all of these exercises? There are 900, or at least I have 928 exercises in here that I can choose from. What you're going to choose is what do you need to work on? What kind of workouts do you like? Do you like arm workouts? Do you like core workouts? Do you like leg workouts? Do you like back workouts? Last week we used a whole bunch of different exercises, and we exercised our full body. So you create your own workout today, and we're going to try your workouts. So you'll just click over here on this, like maybe I want to do arm workouts. So I would do arm raises, and then maybe I need to do a little back rowing. Oh, I love this exercise, so maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'll try this. I don't know what that one looks like. So I'm going to drag and drop a bunch of exercises right here and put them in this workout to create my own workout. So then after I've put in at least 30 different exercises, I'm going to look at these exercises and I'm like, if I'm doing an arm workout, the bar leg workout, bar leg back exercise really doesn't fit. So I'm just going to get rid of it. Does this one actually work, the banded de-gauge? Not for arms, so I'm going to get rid of that. But then as I look, I see, oh, maybe I need to do something like, I don't know, maybe this one might work my arms. So you can drag and drop exercises in there, as many as you want. Once you have at least 30, that's the requirement, at least 30 exercises in there, you're going to hit the next button and you're going to type in the name of the exercise. So you're going to put in your name. Okay, and then the description. Actually, you're going to put in the name of the workout. So maybe I do arm busters. I don't know. Then you'll put a description in here that is going to be strictly arms. I don't know how to spell strictly. Strictly arms. The workout type, is it strength? Is it cardio? Is it yoga? Is it stretching? Well, it's going to be strength. Then I'm going to come down for minutes. Do I want to have rounds that we do, kind of like a Tabata or an EMOM, or do you want to do minutes? Now, if you choose to do a yoga workout, it's different. It has a different format, so make sure that you're aware of that. All right, and then workout settings. What are some of the other workout settings? That's it. All right, and then here are all of the exercises that I've chosen. Then I would hit save. Now then, up here at the very top, hopefully I can show that to you. At the very top, there's supposed to be a save button. And when you hit the save button up here, maybe I just can't see it because my screen's not big enough. I see it right here where it's arm buster. Okay, so then I click on it. And here's the share button. So I click on the share button. And I'm going to copy. See, I've copied that right down here. I've copied the workout so that when I go back to my Sworkit, I'm going to hit the reply button and then I'm going to paste in my, okay, now see, it didn't work the first time. I've noticed that on this, sometimes you have to click it twice and go back to make sure it works. Okay, so then I have that in there, and then I would post my reply. So you need to make sure that it works. Okay? Hopefully you understand that. Hopefully you'll get it. It's not hard. And I think it'll be fun that we're getting to do something like this. All right, we'll talk to you later.